Hello, Choro-Q fans and ambulance lovers? Who loves ambulances? I don't know. I've been in one, but I wasn't feeling too well. Let's see. So this toy is from 2001, as it says on the box. It says 44 in the series, and it's a Toyota Himedic. Basically, because I can read that logo in Himedic. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on. Some tape there. I'm not gonna save this box. Whatever, it's just trash. Trash, more trash, sadly. Even, what's this little piece of paper, I wonder? Maybe it's a member card thing, or, yeah, I don't know. Some sort of questionnaire. Oh, look at these tires, they're just old. But I think if you just rub off this white stuff, they pretty much are new again. It does say 01 there, Himedic ambulance, standard construction of a screw in the front and a tab in the back. This is a pullback toy, and they go quite fast. You can put a coin back here and he'll do a wheelie. Unfortunately, there's no paint for the taillights. They are molded, but no paint. But they put the paint around the whole body. This red stripe is kind of nice. Actually, it's not very red. It's more orangey, right? Because that's clearly red. This is like a dark orange. Nice molded window details. There's a little handle here and here. Standard 5 spokes here. The silver headlights are okay. There's a grill here. Sadly, there's just a dot here. Oh, well, I guess if you look at that photo, I don't know. Maybe there's different emblems or something. Alright, some ribbing in the grill. Yeah, no paint though. And then you can, this whole body is just smoked plastic. It's just all painted well. Interesting. You got clear windows on this side, but this side they're blanked off. It's a totally asymmetric mold. I don't know why. I guess this is maybe there's cabinets on this side of the vehicle. That's quite cool. It's totally asymmetric. There's no door back here, right? So the red is nicely painted up here, and the Himedic badging is nice. I think this is a separate piece, maybe. Maybe there was a different mold. I don't know. There's a break. So the question is, did they just release this without the top part? But this is so unique, you know, these molded in lights up here. I'm not sure. If you look at this, these photos, they have stamped steel wheels. So I just so happen to have some from Choro-Q. I'm going to swap these guys out. These chrome mag wheels here, they just look weird on an ambulance. Let's see if that tab will let the bottom, the top loose. No. So it's very annoying how they do that, but yeah, I think I have to cut away a little bit of that tab as usual. So, cut the back side of it. Maybe that gives it just enough clearance for that tooth to let go. Still not yet. Oh, come on. Really? You don't want to cut too much because you might just cut the tooth off and then it won't grab the other part, right? But it's got to clear. They clearly don't design these things to be modified. I mean, these are targeted towards young kids, so I guess they're trying to make them difficult to open. I'll be back. Yeah, so that's how much I removed. You can see another thing you can do is also just cut away this rectangle. That's another way to do it if you don't want to thin this tooth down. I gotta try to remember doing that myself. So that top piece is a separate thing. It's screwed in place. So I cut off the axles. I mean, literally cut them off. And I'm gonna reuse this here so I can put poster putty on there. Alright, so that goes back nice and easy with so much clearance now. I'm going to hand screw this so I don't strip out the plastic hole. So I just have some different, these are from a different Choro, and these tires are from a different Choro. But they're stamped steel wheels, right? You can do a lowered ambulance. Maybe that doesn't make sense, a lowered ambulance. That's the beauty of poster putty. You can just easily adjust things. You can also have it steer if you want. And the putty never seems to harden or mess up paint, so there we go. Let's look at a few other service vehicles. So for Toyota, we have a tool truck. Not Mac tools, but a Q tool. Toyota Quick Delivery, number 55. And this, again, I swapped out to some stamped steel wheels. I added some more paint effort on that one, though. Then we have this cool Toyota Hiace, and this is by Tiny Q. Tiny Qs are simply better than all ChoroQs because they have clear headlights and chrome light buckets. See the orange turn signal back there? This is a Pro Series, so it can steer. It's still a pullback toy. It has treaded tires, right? It has mirrors. A lot of ChoroQs don't, although these are rigid. And I see like that sticker is falling off as well. And this one has a gimmick of an opening trunk, which I don't really care for, but maybe you do. It's nothing to look at back there. Nice badging, right? Even a license plate printed on there. So very neat. It's much bigger though. Alright, back to ChoroQ. We have a Nissan police van. And it's got a license plate on it. It's got some weird wheels though. And this one again also opens up. This one at least opens up to a more logical interior. There's some tools hanging on the windows. Not sure why you'd have tools in a police van like that, but... And then the last is a ChoroQ Zero. This is the top of the line ChoroQ series, but it doesn't have clear headlights. They're painted on. This is from the Seibu Keisatsu, so this is specific to an old TV show. At least the wheels look like bus wheels, and they have a license plate that's unique to the TV show. The civilian printing is looking good. This is a Nissan, by the way. Alright, there we go. And these guys are going to pick up R2-D4 because that robot broke down at the start of Star Wars. Okay, thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next ChoroQ video. Tune in out.